revenge I'm seeking, or seeking someone to avenge me. Stuck in my own paradox, I wanna set myself free. Maybe I should chase and find a fall and try to stop it. It won't be long before I'll become about it. It's been so long since I've seen my soul lost to this monster, to the man behind the slaughter. Since you've been gone, I've been singing this stupid song so I could wonder the sanity of your wonder. I wish I lived in the present with the gift of my past mistakes, but the future keeps luring in like a pack of snakes. Your sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper. Justification is killing me, but killing isn't justified. What happened to me?